Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt like your wardrobe was a snooze fest, a sea of boring grays and blacks that make you feel totally invisible, then this video is for you. I used to be that person. Seriously, I was the walking definition of nerdy girl chic, clinging to practicality while my style suffered. But one day, a random viral TikTok video changed absolutely everything. It wasn't about shopping hauls or fast fashion, it was about something way smarter. Pure, unadulterated color theory. I'm going to walk you through the epic glow-up of my style, from hiding in muted fabrics to making a bold, intentional fashion statement, all because I learned the secrets of the color wheel. Trust me, the transformation was profound. Before this realization, my style was frankly invisible. I was what you might call a nerdy girl who prioritized comfort and blending in, essentially wearing a camouflage of fabric. My wardrobe consisted almost entirely of muted, low saturation shades, gray, beige, and dark navy. I instinctively avoided any strong hues. While these colors are excellent neutrals, I wore them in monotonous, shapeless outfits that lacked any defining line or rich texture. My goal was maximum practicality and minimum attention. I was essentially dressing to disappear. The turning point came when I watched a TikTok video about color schemes that went completely viral. The creator laid out the principles of the color wheel and demonstrated how colors create a mood and influence perception. It was a revelation. I learned that color wasn't just about matching, it was about intentional communication. The most eye-opening concept for me was the idea of complementary colors, hues opposite each other, like vivid blue and warm orange, which create that electrifying contrast. I finally grasped the importance of value and saturation. I wasn't wearing color. I was just wearing dusty shadows of color. I started my transformation subtly, treating my old neutrals as a foundation, or a canvas. I used my existing dark navy dress and introduced scarves in a bright analogous color scheme, say vivid turquoise and emerald green, to add a pop of sophisticated interest. But the most dramatic shift involved using bolder combinations like triadic color schemes and color blocking. I realized my academic blue jeans could be paired with a fierce mustard yellow top and a red accessory, creating a dynamic, energized look. I wasn't just wearing clothes, I was suddenly composing visually complex outfits that followed a clear artistic formula. I began consciously selecting clothes based on whether the vibrant color would truly complement my natural features and make a deliberate fashion statement every single day. The effect of this change was profound. By mastering color theory, I was able to transition from someone who dressed to fade away to someone who dressed with confidence and intention. The bright, energetic hues, like warm yellows and reds, didn't just look good. They psychologically made me feel more optimistic and extroverted. People started noticing and complimenting my outfits, which reinforced my new sense of identity. The skill of selecting and combining colors became an invaluable life skill, transforming my relationship with my wardrobe and helping me step into the world as a much bolder, more self-assured person.